What's going on? Welcome back to my channel, which is our
Yeah, man.
welcome to your Chelsea Wolves match preview.
Yeah.
I've been doing.
I thought we could pretty much do that.
Yeah, no, I don't know what's going on, man.
I don't know.
This laptop technology just keeps playing up, man. Because I've been doing a couple of FIFA 23 career mode. Some of the videos I'm doing, the videos are getting unlocked. So they're getting unlocked, so people can't like you can view the video, but people can't comment on the video or put a like on it. The video's locked or something. So I don't know what. Yeah, I got stuck at home, skipping doing that. So I don't know what's going on. I checked to research of my. When I checked to research of my videos, to see obviously to see if I can see the video, if I can see my live video on YouTube, and it's not coming up. The video of me being live was not coming up, so I don't know what's going on there, man. So I think it's the laptop itself. I think the laptop is fucked up. I'm gonna get another one. I need to get a fresh one. But anyway, enough like that. Yeah, Chelsea v Wolves. Yeah, man. They're going in with no manager, innit? They're going in with no manager, Wolves, innit? You know, Bruno last got sacked unless they got a manager, and I don't know about it. As far as I'm aware, Bruno last got sacked, and they're going in with no manager, innit? As far as I know. Yeah. So yeah, Champions League was a good performance. Yeah, it was a good performance. Yeah, I enjoyed it. First Chelsea men's game. That's the first Chelsea men's game I've enjoyed for a while. Yeah, because it's been the most. When I watch the men, it's just been dodgy, bro. It's just been dodgy football, like, and then can't finish. You know what I'm saying? The women have been excellent. I enjoy watching the women. The women, the breath of fresh air. The Chelsea women, the breath of fresh, the breath of fresh air, man. The breath of fresh air, man. The men, it's a shame that the men can't replicate what the women are doing. So, but yesterday, hopefully, be the start of it. So yeah, so all I need to do is keep what they played yesterday, keep it up, bring it to Wolves, and we need to show Wolves what go on, innit? We need to show Wolves we're here to fight for top four, and we're here to we're not messing around, and Grandpa, he's got something cooking there, but that's what I'm saying. Something cooking there, but I don't know, because Tuchel did the same thing, and then this is what I'm saying. Yeah, I don't know what's gonna happen, because Tuchel did the same thing, yeah, and then when things start going wrong, the plug always gets pulled. Don't know why. You know, let's let the man do the thing. You employed the guy to do a job, yeah. Let the guy do his job, like, you see me? You know, but I'm just saying, yeah, because it's like kind of like Tuchel era, because we beat Wolves tomorrow, yeah, and we then Saturday at the weekend, and Saturday at the weekend, yeah, then we get something out of the job, we go to the next round. I just say, okay, I'm not saying there's no way Potter's winning the Champions. Yeah, that just, if he does, again, it's Tuchel all over again. But yeah, but then what? And then in the next season, yeah, things don't go the way. What? Then they're gonna can him again. There's no point. Yeah. Well, anyway, I just think that we need to. Todd Bowley needs to let Potter do his job. Yeah, let Potter do his job. Yeah, and if things don't go well, cool, innit? It's not his fault. Yeah, let him get the players he wants and done, innit? What's the point of canning the guy for no reason? Just canning the guy because a couple of results didn't go the way you canning him. Come on, man. There's no need for it. There's just no need for it, man. It's just, yeah, it's carrying what we did in the Champions League, yeah, and then, and hopefully, yeah, we'll count the table, count the table, and yeah, we move, innit? So, yeah. Like I said, Wolves set their manager Bruno Lage. I don't know who's taking over there. Probably the caretaker manager, obviously. Yeah, and Diego Costa making his return back to the bridge. Well, Giroud done nothing. Giroud done nothing. Giroud done nothing, and Tomori got a bit humbled. Tomori got a bit humbled. He got a bit humbled, like, isn't he? He got a bit humbled though still.
Customer service information, I was with Sigland as mine at least she's drinking.
Yeah, Tomori got a bit humbled as well. Giroud did enough, but Tomori got a bit humbled, like, Tomori got a bit humbled, so Costa, I don't think Tomori's doing anything. I don't think Tomori's doing anything. I don't think Diego Costa's doing nothing at the bridge, but he's got something to bring to Wolves, so we need to be careful with it. We can't just mock Costa. We can't mock Costa saying, he's past it now. We can't mock him because he's still got something to bring to the table. So we need to be careful. We need to be careful of Costa. We need to be careful. But we should be cool. We should be on. Just keep our form going on. None of this going backwards. None of this going backwards. None of this going backwards crap. It's true though, none of this going backwards crap and none of this backwards crap. Like going to the game and making it hard for ourselves and all that nonsense, man. We need to bring the A game what we did Champions League and get the 3 points. So man. Obviously Fofana's injured. Kante I think still out. I think Mendy is still recovering from his injury. So we've got a good team, Got a good team there, so
How far are you going? Saco das crianças é só uma coisa, é mesmo um pouco. Quando eu já ouvi que era assim.
sorry guys.
Vai, Boné.
So we got good team. We got good team there. We should do the job against Wolves and not make it hard for ourselves. That's the team lineup. I think in goals, I think Kepa's going to be in goal. I reckon because I don't think Mendy's fully fit to start. I don't think so. I think Mendy might go. Left back, Cucurella's back, so I'll still go for Ben Chilwell, man. To be fair, I'm not dissing Cucurella, but I'll still go Ben Chilwell. Yeah, and then where I go. Yeah, I'm going for. I think he might go for a back four. Yeah. So I think the two defenders. I think it's going to be Thiago Silva, Koulibaly, because Fofana's injured. Yeah, Fofana's injured. Yeah, so Thiago Silva, Koulibaly, I reckon. And then right back obviously Reece James Flames. You know what time it is, Bob. You know what time it is. Reece James Flames. Reece James Flames, man. You know what time it is. Reece James Flames, Bob. You know what time it is. And the midfield, to be fair, I think he should go with the same. I think he should go with Kovacic and Loftus-Cheek, because Loftus-Cheek, that Pippet was good yesterday. Yeah, Pippet was good. And then I think midfield, and I said I think Gallagher played Gallagher, Colin Gallagher as the number 10. Played Colin Gallagher at the number 10. Yeah, and then forward, obviously Rice standing left, other block like and forward, and then outside Mason Mount. It's your time. It's your time. It's your time. It's your time to do what you did in the Champions League. I know that there's been passionate nonsense. So I think you're right. So yeah, so it's your time, basically. Can you keep your form up? That's the lineup. My team lineup, yeah. Score prediction. I'm going 2 Chelsea. This is my pen predictions. My pen predictions. I said 2-0 Chelsea. Because to be fair, the Wolves have goals scored, but they're not really been saying much of a couple. So I'm saying, so I say 2-0. So yeah, keep it tight. Like yeah, so we should be 2-0. So yeah, so yeah, I think so. That's your line. So yeah, so see you lot later. I'm gonna try and do the career mode later one. Yeah, later one. So stay tuned to that. I'm trying to do another. I'm gonna try and do another career mode. Yeah, I'm gonna try and do another career mode. So yeah, so stay tuned for that. So like and subscribe to my channel, which is our like subscribe, yeah, and follow me on Insta, which is WL. See you later, and I'm gonna chill today.